$500 gas card with all vehicle purchases now extended through July 7, 2012. Real gas sipper. 29 mpg highway $. I knew that would get your attention. Now that I have it, let me tell you a little bit about this outstanding sedan that is currently priced right. My. What a deal! New in stock safety features include anti-lock brake system, traction control, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, front fog, driving lights. How tempting are all the features on this sedan: power locks, power windows, auto front air conditioning zones, dual air conditioning. Prior sales excluded. Offer good through July 7, 2012.